Good morning, Saturday morning. What a lovely morning again. And I spent the night here on the runway, in the middle of nowhere, so I could have darkness to get the Milky Way. It was absolutely stunning, the Milky Way. And the Milky Way was over there. Very pretty. Good morning, Sunday morning. Absolutely stunning sunrise this morning. Now, yesterday was a real stinker, yeah. It was 45 plus in the sun. Somebody having a swim in the river, cooling down. Hello, Jet. 5, 6 years ago, you hated my guts. Now we're best of mates. Hey, Johnson. Yeah. The first batch came out very good, so well done, Mindy, for lots more making fudge. Good morning, Monday morning. Lots of thunder and lightning this morning. Very loud thunder. And didn't have much rain. Become a tradition whenever I come and visit Mandy and Tyron, I'll make oxtail. Mildred made us some nice dumplings. Good morning, Tuesday morning. We've had rain all night last night. We were expecting a big storm, but it wasn't that big a storm. Still drizzling at the moment, but nice and fresh. Constant rain. Good morning, Wednesday morning. Chickens are woken up as well. And baboon barking there across the valley in the mountain. And this morning sunrise, blood red again, absolutely gorgeous. Up in the air, 8 degrees outside, but lekker in the berg. Cheers. Good morning, Thursday morning. Pretty chilly outside. Good morning, Friday morning. A little bit of pink in the sky there. 100% overcast. It's just under 12 degrees outside this morning. Not too bad now. As long as the wind doesn't come up, because then it gets cold.